is domiciled in our schools and college ecosystem. And Your Excellency, as you have witnessed here, the question in this country has never been whether or not we have talents. The talents are plentiful. What we have been lacking are two things. Number one, we have been lacking a champion, because every cause needs a champion. And Your Excellency, we are very happy here to recognize and acknowledge you as the champion of this new dawn. One, you have structured a ministry where you have placed the arts at the core of government policy, planning, and execution. And I want to thank you for that. Number two, Your Excellency, today, all of us who have witnessed this kind of thing on these grounds before have seen the importance of having a champion as a resident of State House. The setup here, Your Excellency, has been amazing. We've never had sliding curtains. We've never had the props, the lights. In fact, previously, Your Excellency, some of these props have been treated as weapons of mass destruction that cannot access State House. But today, Your Excellency, you allowed these props to come here and do this setup. Your Excellency, we have had a stage for the very first time ever. Our young people have performed before you on a stage. And most significantly, the showstopper of the day, The Eyes Have It, by Riara Schools. Your Excellency, you may also want to note that this is the first time ever for this state concert to feature a play. This is the first play to feature at this kind of state concert. And so we have ticked one missing box, a champion for this cause, Your Excellency. Number two, we have not had a clear policy frame to anchor this process. And Your Excellency, when you look at the plan, the manifesto of your administration, and the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, the creative industries feature prominently as a key. We have been lacking a pipeline, a conveyor belt that can convey these talents from this raw stage to a point where they can be nurtured, monetized, and marketed. And so, on so many occasions, you have had incredible talents in schools and colleges which end right there. Your Excellency, I want to report to you that we have cracked that part.